Once your child has completed 6 months, you will start thinking on when to start solids, what to offer, how to give it to the child, etc. But these days, there is another worry that parents have. Should I follow baby-led weaning or traditional weaning? So what are these different methods? Why people say that baby-led weaning is better than traditional weaning? What are the negativities surrounding traditional weaning? How can you overcome it? And should you be guilty for following traditional method? So all these questions shall be answered in this video. My name is Kavithaprashanth and welcome to Tots and Moms. To begin with, let's talk what is traditional weaning. Traditional method of weaning is the normal way of offering food to your child, making your baby sit down and start with porridge, cereals, mashed foods, later move on to textures, and mainly a guardian or parent is offering food to the child. Okay, this is traditional method. And baby led weaning, where the baby eats on its own, definitely in the guidance of a parent. And here, baby is offered multiple sorts of foods, different texture, different taste, and it is a saying, or it is a belief that babies who follow BLW are or baby-led weaning are less of a picky eater and definitely not a fuzzy one, and they are happier. This is definitely true because our traditional weaning has taken a step aback. Most of us, what do we do? Let us clearly talk about it. So, traditional weaning, what we generally do is every morning we would offer some porridge, especially ragi porridge. Every afternoon, some roti, mashed thing or something. And every evening, rice mashed with some sambar or curry. I would be glad if you're not doing this, but most percentage of people do this because they find it is the best method to do. So what are we doing ultimately? We are giving similar taste to the child. So baby-led weaning is more of a science experiment for your child because every day the baby is welcoming new colors, new textures, new taste, and he or she is happy about it. But traditional weaning, baby is bored because she or he knows that this is going to come, it is going to taste like that, and there is no change. And for months together, we continue offering this. Especially at many homes, I've seen parents offering the same food until a year. See, until a year, it's complimentary food, and also it is the time when they learn to eat. So it is necessary. So now, how to tweak in a bit and make traditional weaning also good? Um, this you can do by offering the same variety, whatever you eat at home. You want to mash it, you want to make a puree. Initial days, just take one step at a time. Improve on the taste and texture slowly, but do it. Not that till a year we give completely mashed food. So if you take care of texture, taste, and variety, your baby is on par with food. And I would say do not be guilty about not following baby-led weaning for your own reasons. Some parents want to do that, but they are unable to because there's a caretaker who's coming in the house, and 2 days you doing BLW, another 3 days or 5 days they following traditional method, and or maybe you force them to follow BLW, but when the baby gags or they assume baby is choking, when the baby eats less, they think, "Arey, it would be nice if I had offered it to the child myself." Especially when you have elders, they would worry more on the quantity than the quality, how they enjoyed, how much they ate, and they decided how much. So this doesn't matter to them. So it's okay to have a combination because babies adapt very easily, faster than we can, and easier than we think. So, whatever is convenient to you, do that. But remember, taste, texture, and variety, definitely. And I really hope that I added a good clarity if you had the same question in your mind. And if you have anything else that we can answer upon, do pour in your questions in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer. And I have followed both the methods for my children. For the older one, I followed traditional method. I was very guilty when I came to know about baby led weaning at her 10th month. I really wished I had known about it. And I started thinking that my baby is spoiled, my baby is not par with other children. I wish I had done that. But yes, guilt is not needed. She now eats things, she's growing up happily. And my son, I followed baby led weaning. He was very happy. And post few months when he was completely taken care by a caretaker while I resumed my office full time, it got difficult for him in the initial days, but later again he got a hang of it. So every child is a happy child when it comes to food, when we offer varieties, when we give them an opportunity to explore. And if we ensure these things, if we help them eat good food, we are following that food is the medicine. But if we do not, medicine will become the food and they will be forced to take supplements, iron, vitamins, other things, which is really not needed. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a look at our Tots and Moms food store where we sell baby cereals, porridges, instant mixes, dry fruit powder and other nutrient booster. We also sell pancake and cookies and drink mixes made of jaggery. I'll see you soon in yet another one. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.